Children, today I am going to teach English language for class 3rd, lesson number 9, the use of we too. Lesson number 9, the use of we too, on page number 59. Lesson 9, the use of we too. For class 3rd, we too is used for an action that took place in the past and is finished. For example, he came here yesterday. Past came. She got your letter last evening. Got. They played a match on Sunday. Today we had milk for breakfast. Now in the following table, words are often used with we too. Ago, yesterday, last year, last week, last night, last month. They are in the past tense. The we too form of a verb often ends in ed. Live, lived. Rain, rained. Play, played. Dance, danced. Clean, cleaned. Finished, finished. But some we too forms don't end in ed. Do, did, eat, ate. Fall, fell. See, saw. Take, took. Have, had. Give the we too form of the following words: go, went, sit, sat, fly, flew, get, got, tell, told, put, say, said, buy, bought, sell, sold, win, won, pay, paid, find, found. फिर से करें. Go, went, sit, sat, fly, flew, get, got, tell, told, put, say, said, buy, bought, sell, sold, win, won, pay, paid, find, found. Lost, lose, lost, give, gave, ring, rang, shut, shut, read, read, hear, heard, meet, met, write, wrote, think, thought, make, made, build, built, bring, brought. Know, knew, leave, left, come, came, drink, drank, begin, began, teach, taught, sleep, slept, catch, caught, stand, stood, break, broke, speak, spoke, forget, forgot. Rewrite each sentences using the we too form of the underlined words. It begins to rain. Last night it began to rain. Manu learns new words. Manu learnt new words. Last Sunday, they went to the market. They sleep on the roof. Last night, they slept on the roof. He eats an apple after dinner. Last night, he ate an apple after dinner. They play football in the park. Yesterday, they played football in the park. Raman writes short stories. Last year, Raman wrote short stories. Ritika lives with her brother. Before her marriage, Ritika lived with her brother. And the third exercise. Now rewrite each sentence using the V2 form of the verb. She finishes her homework. She finished her homework. Simran has a big car. Simran had a big car. The hounds killed the stag. The hounds killed the stag. The peon rings the bell. The peon rang the bell. Parul goes to school daily. Parul went to school daily. Mother cooks food for us. Mother cooked food for us. Miss Neha teaches us English. Miss Neha taught us English. Dev lives with his mother. Dev lived with his mother. Tiku throws stones at birds. Tiku threw stones at birds. Children, this is a PDF which you have to do in your notebooks. Lesson 9, the use of V2, page number 59. V2 is used for an action that took place in the past and is finished. For example, he came here yesterday. She got her letter last evening. The following words are often used with V2: ago, yesterday, last year, last week, last night, and last month. Now give the form the following verbs. The V2 form: sit, sat, fly, flew, get, got, tell, told, put, and so on. Now these are the exercises which you have to do in the notebook or given on page number 60. Or again here, the third exercise, rewrite each sentences using the V2 form of the verb given on page number 61. Answers are given only. She finished her homework. Simran had a big car. The hounds killed the stag. The peon rang the bell. Parul went to school daily. Mother cooked food for us. Miss Neha taught us English. Dev lived with his mother. Tiku threw stones at birds. Now do all the exercises in the notebook. Again on 28th, that is tomorrow, I will teach again the same lesson. Thank you.